Welcome to Dorman Products Ignition Cylinder Installation video. Before you begin, this installation is considered to be an easy repair by our technicians and should take approximately 30 to 40 minutes. Warning: prior to installation, you must disconnect the battery before proceeding. Begin the installation by removing the column tilt lever. Continue by unscrewing the bottom column cover retaining screws. We suggest moving the shift selector boot to help with removal. Then remove cover. Next, remove upper cover. Begin by removing the ignition lock cylinder by turning the key to the start position. Again, make sure the battery is disabled prior to this point or vehicle will start. While holding the key in the start position, depress the release tab on the lock cylinder, accessible through the hole in the top of the ignition housing, with a small screwdriver and remove lock cylinder. Note: you may have to wiggle the lock back and forth to fully engage release tab. Once removed, install your new ignition lock cylinder in the ignition housing. Once your new lock cylinder is in position, reconnect the battery. For key programming without original key present, remove and separate new transponder keys from keyring. Next, turn the ignition to the on position without starting the vehicle. Then, wait 11 minutes. The security light will stay illuminated until the time has passed. Once allotted time has passed, turn ignition to off position and then back to the on position, and for the second time, wait 11 minutes. Once allotted time has passed, turn ignition to off position and then back to the on position. Wait 11 minutes. Finally, after allotted time has passed, turn ignition to the off position and leave in the off position for 5 minutes. Once time has passed, start the vehicle and your transponder key has been programmed. If there is a second key that is needed to program to the vehicle, insert first program key to the on position for 10 seconds. Then, turn key to off position and remove. Insert second transponder key provided and turn to the on position for 10 seconds, and finally turn to the off position. Congratulations! You have completed the programming of your transponder keys.